Hello and welcome to this video. I will show you step by step how you can sell a ticket in Vivid Seats. So if you want to ticket, go to this website, it's Vivid Seats. Click this website here and then go to my account here. You will see this page. In this page, you have a ticket listing. Click my listing, click get started. And then from here, click sell your tickets. After that, search by team or artisan event. For example, this one. Search any event. For example, match NFL. This one, for example, and then click choose your date you want to sell. Click continue, and then choose your quantity of ticket, 2 or 3. Choose this section and set the place here and draw. For this disclose, click events and then add VIP clubs or something like this. And then choose your section, click continue. After that, upload your PDF ticket, upload your now mobile transfer ticket you have. Set up your prices ticket, and this one, Smart Split, and this one. Choose your payments, PayPal or credit card as a payments. Click here if you want to add a credit card and then click continue. This is how you can do, friends. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you.